Now that I've unwrapped all my faces, if you see, I'm using pretty much the texture space here. Um, I'm not utilizing it to the maximum space here. As you can see, there's a lot of areas I could have utilized. I could have scaled some of these up. But because I'm doing this tutorial quite fast, you can see that if you were to utilize your texture space, you would be utilizing these areas up as well to the to the best, so you don't actually waste any of the space. For this example, it's fine. But if you were doing it for your own building or your own house, you would most likely be utilizing it. I mean, what I would have done is, or I would do later on, is probably scale these up a bit, just so you can see a bit more detail when I export the texture out. And again, with all these extra bits, these are just rough faces that are just underneath and all over the place. So I'm going to apply a generic texture, and I'm going to apply one type of texture around here as well. um, See, what we'll do is now is we'll select all the faces of the whole system, and as you can see, all the faces are selected of the house. And I'm gonna again go to render UV template, keep this the same as we had it earlier on, and I'm gonna save this out as a JPEG. I'm gonna just call it test again, and let's call it UV layout, and I'm gonna save that. Oh, sorry, you have to tell it to save it as. I'm gonna save it as a JPEG. So if I press OK, put that high, that should be saved out now. I'm gonna go into Photoshop now. Again, knowing that Photoshop struggles, I'll have to do this. I'll see you in the next video, so I'll load up Photoshop just then.